Good day, my friends. So I will show you how to make a playback here and GRC ECDIS GRC 9201. So first, go to menu. Then go down, code input, put password 9999, then enter. Go to playback. Just reminder, this playback is stored until 90 days or 3 months. So you can playback until 3 months for this ECDIS. So if you can see, from July until October, so it's 3 months. So how to make playback? So for example, you want to choose here in July, just highlight, if you can see, it's already there, then just play. Then for example, we need to more faster, just make speed times 60. You can see this is the playback for GRC. For example, you need to another date, just pause, then tick again. For example, we need to choose another date. So for example here, August, just highlight, then we will play. So if you can see, so this is how to make a playback here in GRC ECDIS 9201. I hope that did you take something for this one. Thank you, my friend.